Hi, my name is Emily, and this is the salt mining presentation from that experiment. So first we will talk about what the procedure was before starting. I went through and read what the instructions were, which was to mix salt and pepper on a plate and then fill a balloon with air and rub it against your head, and then you were going to hold the balloon that you had rubbed against your head over the salt and pepper and observe what happened. So for the experiment, the first thing that I did was gather my supplies, which was the plate, the balloon, and then the salt and pepper. The next thing that I did was I went through and I put the salt and pepper in separate piles on the plate and then blew up the balloon. That way I could try and make sure that I put relatively equal amounts of salt and pepper on the plate and didn't have more of one and less than the other. After that, I went through and I mixed all of the salt and pepper together, and then I got ready to rub the balloon against my head. Okay, as I was rubbing the balloon against my head, I could feel the static building up because I could feel my hair getting frizzy and everything. So after I rubbed the balloon against my head for 30 seconds, I got ready to hold it over the salt and pepper, and this is what happened. Okay, so that was the results of the experiment, and so on to the analysis portion. Rubbing the balloon against your head builds up, the static buildup, it produces a negative charge. And whenever you hold the balloon over the salt and pepper, that negative charge reacts with the salt and pepper and it polarizes it. And because the pepper is lighter than the salt, it results in the pepper flakes jumping to the balloon and attaching to it.